we also have this indication that it created a virtual environment. So that means that UV probably created files. So to check this, we have several options. So maybe I will first clear my screen and I will type ls. ls, you see you have 3 files that have been created. Main PI, it's a default script. pproject.toml, it's a configuration for the project, configuration file. readme, it's a description file of the project. And uvloc, it's a file specific to UV. So let's try ls minus las to check if there are hidden files or folders. So you see we have .git that is still here. It's a folder of the record of the project. We have this file which is new .python minus version, which may have some information of Python version. We have this folder to that has probably information on the environment set up by UV. So something important, how do I know it's a file or it's a folder? I just check on the left of the table. On this, this is the right of the file of the folder, and I see I have a small d. Small d is for directory, for folders or directory. And when I had the minus, that means that's a file. This is how I can tell that. Then below .vamp, I see the main pproject, all the files that are visible currently as a project.